Hi everyone, in this video, we will be discussing surgical spirit, a commonly used antiseptic solution. We will be covering its history, use, and important precautions that one should take while using it. So, let's get started. History. Surgical spirit has been in use for over a century, initially used as a disinfectant for surgical instruments. It was first introduced as a surgical antiseptic in the late 19th century. Over the years, it has become a popular antiseptic solution for use both in homes and hospitals. Here are 7 most common use. Antiseptic for skin. Surgical spirit is commonly used as an antiseptic to clean and sanitize skin prior to injections, incisions, and other surgical procedures. Cleaning wounds. Surgical spirit can be used to clean wounds and prevent infections. Removing nail polish. It is also commonly used for removing nail polish. Disinfectant for surgical instruments. Surgical spirit can be used to disinfect surgical instruments. Household cleaning. It can be used for cleaning and disinfecting various household items, such as countertops and bathroom fixtures. Pain relief. Surgical spirit can be used as a rubefacient, meaning it can help to soothe sore muscles and reduce pain when applied topically. Aromatherapy. Surgical spirit can be used as a base for aromatherapy oils, allowing the scent to evaporate and fill the air. It's important to note that surgical spirit should always be used in a diluted form and should not be ingested as it is toxic if consumed. Here are 5 important precautions to take when using surgical spirit. Flammability. Surgical spirit is highly flammable, so it should be kept away from heat sources and flames. Toxicity. Surgical spirit is toxic if ingested, so it should never be consumed. Skin irritation. It should not be applied directly to open wounds as it can cause skin irritation and dryness. Dilution. It is recommended to dilute surgical spirit with water before use. Proper storage. Surgical spirit should be stored in a cool, dry place, out of reach of children and pets. The lid should be tightly secured to prevent evaporation and spills. These precautions are important to follow in order to use surgical spirit safely and effectively. It's always a good idea to consult a medical professional before using it for medical purposes. In conclusion, surgical spirit is a useful antiseptic solution, but it's important to use it with care. By following the precautions mentioned in this video, you can use it effectively and safely. That's all for today, folks. Thank you for watching.